Our JB51-D hose skiving machine obtained a national patent. The advanced technology is the top level of world. Can process the multi-layer wide spiral house or textile house. House inner size is from 4 mm to 51 mm. The machine is compact in structure. Low damage to the wire, low dust pollution, and lower noise. The motor should be braked immediately after skiving. This is a required equipment for hose and repair shops for maintenance service. The machine is compact and light. The knowledge of our machine structure will be good for you to operate and maintain the machine. The machine equips with 30 sets of house core ashes to feed the various house inner size for skiving. There is a switch on the top of faceplate. Turn on the switch and the motor rotates is ready for skiving. This is the foot pedal. Function is the same as switch. The front block door is on the below of faceplate on the keys. It's used to place the hose core axle and the sand tools. The lock in the side of keys can unlock or lock the sheet. The machine consists of 3 parts. Namely from right to left, shield, engine bells, and motor. This is the engine base. The main axle is fixed inside. This is the motor. Pay attention on the direction of the arrow behind the motor. The motor drives the cutter through the main axle to skiving house. The motor must be worked in the right direction the arrow shows. This is the back door. You can clear the skiving crash through the back door. The heater unit is fixed in the shield inside. From right to left is cutting body, core bar, and cutaway mass. They are fixed on the cutter head. This is the cutter head. The core action of a house is fixed on the blade. Action core and hose diameter should be matched to work. Let's show the replacement of the core action. After loosening the lock nut on the cutter head, you can pull out the core action. This is the core action. The bar in front of the core action can be put into the house. The back of core action have a hole to lock a nut. Fix core action through blade. From that show, we can get how to pick out core action. Install core action have 3 steps. 1. Put into core action. 2. The house alignment with locked nut. 3. Screen locking nut to stop core action loose. Attention! Don't pull out the core action when the distance between the blade and the core action is too close. Otherwise, it's easy to damage the blade. This is the cutting body. This is the lock nut of the cutting body to lock a cutter bar. This is the feeding nut. It's used to control the depth of skiving through controlling the distance between the blade and the core action. This is the blade to skiving hose. The key point to the result of skiving holes is the adjustment of the blade separation. This is the whole process of adjustment. Rotate the cutter head. Unlock the lock nut on the blade fixture and pick out the blade. This is the blade. This is the blade fixture. Now, let's show how to adjust the depth of feeding. The thickness increased with the feeding depth. Firstly, unlock the lock nut of the cutter head. Following, adjust the distance between the blade and the core action by rotating the feeding nut to control the depth of skiving holes. Finally, the depth is enlarged. Pay attention on the distance between the blade and the core axle. And let's show how to adjust the length of skiving holes. Focus on variables from between the cutter head and blade. Now, the distance looks like a little far. When you put holes from inside to outside, the length of the skiving house is long. Let's close the distance. The length of the skiving house is short. Lock the lock nut after adjusting. This is the matched tools. When working, this machine will have big noise, big vibration. This cause comes from matched tools. Firstly, unlock the lock nut. Next, revolve and adjust the nut to a reasonable position. Lastly, lock nut. Till cutter head can match with level. It's ready to work after closing the shield. The first step, turn on switch. The motor rotates. The second step, seat the house into core axle and head hold the house tightly to push inside till the end of the house reaches cutter head. The third step, head tightly hold the house to pick up. The house skiving is okay. The fourth step, cut off the power. Let's show it all process again.